why isn't it working? It's not that it isn't working. It's the fact that your blog is probably receiving less traffic. And why is that? Once upon a time, up until a couple of years ago, people who was researching your product would, go to your website, go to your blog, and then ask their friends and colleagues. Now what's happening is they are researching outside of your website usually first. Okay, so they're talking to their friends, they're talking to their network, they're going on to G2 and other reference sites, they're listening to influencers and they're on podcasts. By the time they reach your website and your blog, they're already pretty advanced in their research phase, which is actually good news, because what would you rather have? Thousands of visitors to your website when they're the top of the funnel and just, checking out what you're up to, or when they're, hey, I've heard about this company, I really want to find out if their cybersecurity solution is good for me. So yes, you will be seeing fewer visitors to your blog, but that actually means that you need to perhaps write a different kind of content. Maybe you need to be writing more middle of the funnel and bottom of the funnel, but certainly no fluff, like fluffy content, out the window.